You got it?
Yeah, I got her. Well, fuck.
Hello.
Yeah, we're good! Fucking tearing them up. Shit. Hit! Had him there for a second, bud.
Well, let's say we all go left. Yeah, because that's what they're doing.
Yeah.
What other guy just went left there? Shit. That's fucked. That's awful stuff in there. I don't know where that's coming from. One more push to your right! Watch out! 2 buildings up to your right. Black shirt. Okay, got him.
I have a question for you. Yeah, what's up, man? Is your, do you got some snow? Oh, yeah. Wet. Are you gonna worry about it, do you think?
No. If I dumped it, I'm ready. Okay, going back with you, buddy. Alright. Okay, let's go. Let's go, dude.
带小吊，带小吊，在地上。
Damn. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Oh, yeah.
Does this have right buff?
Yeah.
Yeah? Fuck. He's in that second up building there. Shit. Oh, might have got him. Oh, hit. That was something. Oh. Hit! Right on the corner. Ooh, hit. buddy. What do you say, 5 lives? 5 lives, is it?
Something like that.
Something like that.
I think so.
Bro, get that guy in the corner, I swear to fuck.
Which one, the guy in the camera?
Right there.
I don't know what you're talking about. Where? 可能卡在中间。
That's weird.
我操，你跳过去我脸。
Stop making me smoke stuff, man.
Oh,
Much
fuck,
for the
man.
ambition. How long's your battery last? Your camera.
I'm on my 4th battery today.
Are you really?
Yeah, oh yeah, they're dying quick because of the cold.
Yeah.
Same like last week. They're
Apparently I have the best bat. I'm running a 7.4 and I'm on my first battery. And I've fucking
Oh,
probably
no,
fired.
camera battery.
Oh, sorry.
No.
It's not all about you, man.
Those damn gun batteries.
Yeah.
No, yeah, I think it's just a weather thing, but
Yeah, no, probably.
I pre-charged them all, they just fucking don't like running in the cold.
Buddy's shooting me already. Like, he's aiming right at my face.
Who, Mitch or the other guy?
It's like I could actually hit him from here.
We have to take a lot of target practice on that. Back in the day, fucking you'd be
Oh,
like,
I got it!
he'd be standing here, he'd be walking up like the diagonal hill to get to that fucking, and then we just fucking dial in on
And
him.
when you hit him, he always fucking screams. He always like every time you hit him.
It's great.
Yeah.
It's better than like a metal target.
You'd hear that jacket too.
Yeah, right.
You can go straight down the center.
I'm gonna go left.
You're going left?
I'm going left.
You should just go for the outhouse and fucking pick people up.
That is this one here.
I love it.
It sucks. I hate it.
Why?
I find like I'm useless behind it, and like
Because you're not Les.
it's in a weird spot.
It's Les's outhouse. It's his little
I get a
shithole.
lot of range with
Well,
this
that's
guy.
another thing. Okay, that's like I'm like half afraid of it because every time I get in there, Les would bury one into my finger. Oh, man.
Those .48s fucking sting too, bro.
They do. At
Oh,
one
fuck,
point, I
they're-
was like, man, aim higher or something. They fucking puts one into my nuts.
Oh,
Good to know
there's
we're
no worse
good.
gun to get shot in the dick with, like, honestly.
Good to know we're good. I know, right? Like,
Got a revolver or what?
No, there's a sniper that comes here often, and he shoots .48s. He's got like a big SRS, is that what it is?
Yeah,
the
SRS sounds
the
right.
DSR.
Oh, yeah.
It's either an SRS or it's like a DSR-1. It's something funky, like
Yeah,
some funky
bullpup
bullpup.
sniper,
But,
yeah.
but I hear isn't he the guy who's got the regulator on, so you can crank it way down and use
No,
the
it's a
CQ.
spring gun.
Okay, I'm thinking of a different guy because the guy with the gas-powered DSR-1, HPA DSR-1 bolt action, and he has a regulator on it, so he can turn it down and use it in CQB.
I'm not sure who that guy is.
But I swear I've heard of
Oh,
that
Les
guy.
is a great guy. He's good too.
Yeah.
He's good. I like playing with him.
It may have
he's one of those guys I don't mind like what team.
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Me
like,
too.
Yeah, right.
That may be
And
the
there's
guy
been
that
times
shot up
where
my
we've
optic.
been
then.
like 80 feet away from each other, and I'm like, we won't shoot each. We're good. And then
right.
I'll just be like, get your pistol out, and then we'll go again.
Okay, so it probably wasn't him because he was way too close. Because
No,
he
he
would.
wouldn't do that.
It was
He wouldn't do
Castle the
that.
Humvee when basically one of them shot out my optic, but like
Oh yeah,
by
no, he
accident.
wouldn't do that.
by accident,
These guys
and
are
like
going
but. Whoever it was that was hitting, they weren't hitting
this
hard.
I'll go
They were
left.
definitely bolt action.
Yeah.
So
These guys are going right.
This
So-
guy,
I don't wanna go right.
It shoots
No,
out.
right.
He
I don't want it.
respects like the engagement.
Yeah,
distance.
oh,
He
yeah.
knows how to, yeah.
That is like
it was either that or guy with the
You gotta learn that.
G36
Can't reach
because it was two of them working together because we could revive each other.
Yeah.
And that's why I was constantly trading.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
So we go down, revive, get up.
from here.
I'd be surprised.
I was like, holy shit, this is what real airsoft's like?
One of you to go to that side.
Nose goes.
Somebody could miss their pistol.
Cool, it's you then.
Oh no!
Oh, buddy, I'm sorry.
SEMA.
Oh, miss your patty pill.
Yep. Yeah, it's not bad, eh? It's like wood press, but I mean it's real wood. Yeah, exactly right.
Who cares what kind of wood it is?
No, I like the color, like the redness on it.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Oh yes, anime, nice,
Real
nice.
titties on the
Oh wow, I didn't see that.
Yeah, buddy.
So if you're wondering why he's not coming out to video, look at that.
Kind of man with culture. Is that what
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, see, there's some stickers like that on some of the lockers at work. I'm surprised some of the old guys haven't killed somebody over there. I was like, what is this? I was like, it's culture, dude. Like,
Everybody leave me alone for like 20 minutes.
Everybody. Leave me alone.
yeah, I guess so. Yeah, sure, why not?
You going right?
I don't. Fuck yeah.
I might try. No, more waffles. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, one going right! Oh! What the fuck? Yeah, you got out. Yes, sir. Okay, I got that one going right. There might still be another squirter.
Another squirter?
Another squirter. Oh, I see Pat! Oh, hit! Oh!
别乱跑，看这个位置，看那个位置，只要你看那个位置。
Oh, yeah. Racing. There's nothing happening over on the left side. I'll say that.
铁子，你要不考虑撤退一下子？铁子，你要不撤退一下？对呀，我都中弹了，你在前面没有意义。
What are you seeing?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Oh, I see something. Yeah? Yeah, see the phone box? Building to the right side of the phone box.
铁子，什么情况？我找到敌人了。
It was that drunk guy. Mr. Budweiser, buddy. They just nailed him like 5 times.
Yeah, right? Oh, shit, that's somebody on the other, over yonder.
Over yonder,
Over
eh?
yonder, that direction.
Shit.
Oh, shit, I saw him.
Oh! Oh, what the fuck? Ooh!
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not seeing that, man.
No, neither am I.
Don't know where he is. Oh! Fuck me, man.
Holy shit！ 咋了？
子弹他把我躲过去了。
是吧？注意看啊！
You don't see nothing, do you?
No.
I don't know where those were coming from. Oh! Was that me? Yeah, it was me.
I think over by the like the fucking schools over on that far side.
Yeah.
Oh. No, it's up in the bunker over there.
Oh, look, good job.
Holy shit.
Fuck me, buddy.
He's just like sitting in that little fucking place.
Yeah, I don't see his noggin. I don't see his noggin.
Yeah, no, he's like peeking like this little tiny window.
Fuck, man.
It's like that fucking structure where it's like a little bit bigger and then the jetty's out.
Oh.
Well, the jetty out's more or less on that side. He's like in a window. It's a pretty good beat on where I was.
If you see something hit my helmet, fucking let me know, because I don't know if I'm getting hit or not.
You know if you get hit in the helmet.
I don't.
Yeah.
Apparently Chance hit me in the helmet earlier and I didn't fucking feel it.
Oh, really?
I got it on video, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, man. I don't
I
know.
usually
Don't know.
move it.
Shit.
That building right there. Far building, back corner.
Far building, back corner.
Hit. Oh, I know he's there. Well, I got the other guy was there. I was expecting one, but there were two. Yeah, but it's just one, right? Yeah, white jacket. That was my last hit. So, we know 1, 2, 3.
Oh, damn you! Damn you! Damn you!
Oh, I have one more respawn after. Oh, wait, no, you're still in. I mean, dead, but not out.
Oh, thanks.让我这边一下，让我这边帮我看看右路好不好？
Okay.
Cover me.
他瞄你，他瞄你，他就站着。
嘿，
Damn.
I'm on my way. 我们怎么说？我操，右边好着呢，那边一个，那边。
Third reach. No, yeah, I'm
那
on
边
my
买的
third.
Oh, we'll go right.
我主要没看到你在哪。
他真的好猛，我操！
They didn't make it that far right, but they are right.
主要是我不知道在打右路，这个图右路不太好打。这也不是不行啊。不知道
那边有人吗？那边有人吗？
我看不太清，我现在换一个。
One left, one left.
One left.
Yeah, near the minivan.
Okay.
看到看到。
The left one that. I don't think that hit me. I really don't think that hit me.
Okay.
我现在的视野挺好。
怎么加不开？我操！
还好啊，你他妈的我操，很悠闲，我杀俩人。
我刚和一个人对，差点赢了，但是被打从手臂了。
Okay, they're
Come
moving real far. You're far.
Far?
Fuck.
是吧？那肯定有。
那我们走哪边？走三。
They're moving.
我在观察，我还没想好。
我还剩三。
I don't know if
还有子弹了，你知道吗？
but I
我剩
can.
两拿我的，我剩两个子弹，这样就。
还有两个。
See them?
No, but I'm right above you holding that left side. If I see one pop out, I'll get him.
I'm more worried about the right side.
I don't think they're gonna push us.
I'm
I
more
don't know.
worried about like this.
我现在看地形，你知道，我现在觉得就是贸然入场不太好。你看这个，第一个这个掩体倒了，你发现吗？这个掩体我看没
Oh, hit!
Damn man, don't shoot, damn man, don't shoot, damn man, don't shoot. 你看那个人是什么人？我不知道。
We got 2 more
Damn man,
lives,
don't
man.
shoot.
这有视频好是我们，我操，好猛！我这里你动。
Hey, is that our guys or what?
Fuck, is he
Hey
still
guys,
over there?
No, I got somebody.
Hit! No, I didn't see him.
Well, you can't tell me anyway.
Yeah.
Not supposed to.
I got 1 more, then I'm done, man. So,
Well, same.
yeah.
就在这里回头呢。
I got hit really quickly, really.
I'm dead. I'm in my spawn. This is my spawn. I'm not coming back in yet. Fuck that. I'm dead. They can just shoot at me. That's a fair deal to me.
这样就挺死了，你知道吧？
I'm running. Cover me. Go, go, go. Oh, hit it. And that's that. No run for freedom, boys. Damn.
Is that tank on the road for me going back into the beach? Not gonna be American.
2 of Pat's bags fucking gummed up on me again.
So what?
2 of Pat's bags that he gave me are fucking sticky too.
Yeah, it's weird.
They had that same issue, man.
Now I'm wondering.
I was looking on ASINs.
Yeah.
And there was
Like, fucking
a
check that
DFE
out.
course or
Doesn't spring out or
Russian
nothing.
vehicles.
And I didn't load up either of the
And I was
bags, so I don't
scrolling
know.
through it. It was put together by the West Novies.
It's like genuinely too cold for him or something.
Oh, it's the last
Side,
Phoebe.
there was a BKR.
Oh, well, that explains it.
Right side of BKR. And then it's a BKR. They're still showing the fucking picture of the BKR. I'm like, fucking retards. Goddamn West Novies.
What the fuck? Leave it out.
I look like I might have.